welcome back. And as decided in this new year and with your few suggestions, I came up with a new playlist of basics, ML basics. Actually, this is a short videos on how to get started if you're a beginner. And the subtitle would be in the thumbnail, ML basics, Python basics. Basic is the keyword. So keep searching for those basic tutorials which would help you get started in machine learning and really make things smooth. Okay. So, and yes, of course, your suggestions are always a welcome. Please do comment. Please do suggest, because this is not my channel, this is your channel. Okay. I think this is very clear, right? So keep suggesting and keep let me know what you want, what videos and what all basic series. What is really troubling you? Row, column, pandas, Python, or something else, object-oriented programming is that, something like that, anything. And another thing that I also wanted to come up with something really interesting, and that would be followed shortly after